Does 9191 mean anything to you?
Yes! What is that? What are you doing?
What does that number mean to you?
It's my dog's birthday.
Your dog's birthday. This is Amsterdam, folks. This is the Netherlands. People still separate their trash. They take care of the place. Guys, we're doing some magic. Free magic show. Yeah, right next to the rubbish bin, we'll do some magic. Do you have a minute? Yes. What's your name?
Haley.
Haley. That's my middle name.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, very
nice. I'm Yannick. Nice to meet you, Haley.
Nice to meet you.
Look, we'll do it quick for your friend.
Okay.
We've never met Haley, correct?
No.
You might be the wrong Haley. Haley, think of your birthday. You know your birthday?
Yes.
Okay, well done.
I hope so.
Sweet. Just think of the day, okay?
Okay.
Don't type anything just yet. Are you good at following instructions?
Yes.
All right, we got the right one, guys. Type in the day of your birthday.
Okay.
Now go multiply. And think of the month, right? So if you're born in October, you'll type in a 10, whatever. You get the concept. It's very easy.
Yeah.
You got it already?
Yep.
Go in equals.
Okay.
You got a number, yeah? We'll make it bigger. We'll make it a little bit harder. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. 4-digit number. Think of the year. Okay,
Okay.
so the whole year, type it in. Haley's doing
Wait,
that.
but am I multiplying? What am I doing with the number that's here currently?
Did you already multiply? Did you hit multiply?
I did the day by the month.
I thought Haley said she's good at following instructions.
You
It
didn't tell- you
seems
didn't tell me
like
what to do
she
with the year.
lied to me. How about this? You erase everything, hold the AC button down, and we'll start all over. The day,
Multiply.
multiply the month, equals. Multiply.
You didn't say multiply.
Okay, it's my fault. It's always my fault. It's
Multiply. the
reminds me
year.
of my mind. Yes.
Okay.
Equals.
Wait.
This is going great, folks. Real magic on the real streets of Amsterdam.
Why is it adding a dot? Okay, is this like a Amsterdam thing?
You know what? We'll just go with it right now. We'll see what happens because most magic tricks. Dot. There's a dot. Haley's making dots appear. This is her own magic trick right now. Do you want to have the microphone? And I'll just stand here like the usual in it.
Okay.
So you have a dot. Do you also have numbers or just dots?
No, I have a number.
There is numbers there. Okay. How about now we'll do a final one. Have you hit multiply yet?
Yes.
Do a 4-digit number that's close to you. Maybe the pin of your phone, bank pin, whatever.
Okay.
Just a random number. This is going great. The tension is building. These guys are very hungry as Haley is making dots appear. Everyone,
Okay.
you got it?
Yeah.
Hit equals. Do you have a number?
Yes.
A random number?
With no dot.
No dots. Yes. Now it is weird. You just walked past us. You saw me standing here with a microphone next to a rubbish bin. Is that correct?
Yes.
And I said free magic show, correct?
Correct.
And we've never met, correct?
Correct.
You typed in personal details, correct?
Yes.
And you have a number that doesn't mean anything to you. I've had a feeling that today, for some reason, you would be the right one, Haley.
Okay.
What's the number?
Wait, I thought you were gonna tell me.
Oh, should I read your mind?
It's a magic trick.
Okay, well think of
I'll tell you.
No, don't tell me. You
Wait.
no. Wait, what? There's a realization. What is it?
It's today's date.
It's today's
No,
date?
It's not. What's
Show
today?
it.
November?
What's today's date?
7. Yeah. It's just backwards.
Show to the.
It's a date of today.
The 7th of November 2023.
Is
That's
that
today's
today?
date. Well, you're American, so it's 11/7, right? You'll do it the other way.
I didn't do it backwards.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Wait.
Haley, why'd you get the wrong number? Come on.
How did you do that?
It's today's date.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Are you a magician secretly?
No.
You know what? That's weird.
That
It
is
is the 7th. Okay, that wasn't even
How
meant
did you-
to happen. Well, maybe it was. That's magic.
That is
Almost.
magic.
But you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, the last one. You know what? You got your phone. Can you pull out your phone again? We'll do the final one. Just
Okay.
lock your phone. Okay. And is it a 6-digit code or why is
No,
the
it's like a word.
a word?
Uh-huh.
You know what? That's too hard. I don't speak English that well. But wait, it was really today's date. That's so weird. But We've never met, correct?
Correct.
Haley, last one. Can you just think of the month that you're born in? Can
Yes.
you just think of it? Can you just say the word in your mind? April? Is it April?
Yes. Wait, what is happening?
That's weird.
That is weird.
Well, technically, that's a 1 out of 12 chance. I've done this 11 times, and this is the first time it worked. Yes. But actually, think of the year.
Okay.
And this is gonna sound weird, but can you hold out your finger like this? And just touch mine. And just think of the year. 19. That's easy.
I hope so.
1990? Wait, 26th of April?
Yes.
1990.
That's freaking creepy. Yes, that's my.
I love being called creepy.
Yeah, I don't know. Told you me, Haley. I don't know.
How'd you know that?
So I had a lonely childhood, and I spent a lot of time in my room practicing magic, and
That's
then I got
good.
hit by a
That is my
lightning.
birthday.
And that is your
That is
birthday?
my birthday. Yeah.
Okay, the final one, the final bit. There's a weird stuff that just happened, so we have to keep going for one more minute.
Okay.
Now even he is impressed. He was skeptic.
Very impressed.
Think of a 4-digit number that's close to you, personal to you. You got one? Or did you
Can it? Yeah.
just think of what can it be? Any question is allowed.
Can it start with a 0?
A 0.
Yeah.
No, but can I
No.
just ask you a question?
Yeah.
I don't know why that number comes to mind. I'm just gonna say, does 9191 mean anything to you?
Yes. What is that? What are you doing?
What does that number mean to you?
It's my dog's birthday.
Your dog's birthday. Does that what your dog sounds like? Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing left to say. Haley, final words?
No, I'm very impressed. I don't know what just happened.
Well, that makes 2 of us. Haley, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Enjoy Amsterdam,
Nice
and
to meet you.
yeah, say hello to your dog for me. Don't get run over. Folks, that's magic on the streets of Amsterdam. Reading some minds, blowing some minds, and yeah, making dog sounds. Something I'm very good at. Back to you, Jimmy.